Okay, so here is the video of our Bodum grinder that has stopped grinding. And as you can see, I just cleaned it the other day and then still had to try it again. And I've tried it several times, it's still not grinding. So I am gonna take the wheel here and place it in. Good to go there. And then I am going to take this and I'm going to set it to pour over. And then here. And then let me grab my coffee. All right, set it for 20 seconds. There we go. Grind right up first. Then real quickly, just stop grinding. Just barely doing anything there. Then, I'm gonna dump my beans out. As can be seen, here it just gets stopped up in there really quick.